What's ringing, guys? It's Carlo here, and welcome to week 5 of Beaumont College Fire Alarm test. Last week I accidentally got the days wrong about the week 6 and 7 and so, but after today there'll be about a 2-week break from Beaumont College, so we won't be testing the fire alarms. Because we can't just come in just to do the fire alarm test and the other tests, so there'll be about a 2-week break until we get week 6 after this week. So if you're ready, we'll start with this one first, since this one gives us the most trouble. Let's just get the key in. Now we'll go ahead and do this one, and then we'll move over to the other ones. Alright, now we'll go over and test the KAC. Right, now to test the FR070s over that way, and then that'll be it. Alright everyone, only 3 more alarm tests to do. Alright, now we'll do the one in whoops, just grab the right key for it. We'll do the one here. Yep, it's done. I think, yeah, we've only got 2 more tests to do, then that's it.
I've just come to give you a price for a new system.
Alright, okay. You carry on doing your thing, Kyle. Now we'll do this one here, and then that's it. For the we'll do this one here, and then we just got that one to do, and then that'll be it. What do you mean?
Oh, it's loud enough.
Not that loud to me.
No.
To you, it's in Kyle, is it?
Well, I love testing fire alarm, and I'm also a church bell ringer, so I'm used to loud noises. Only 1 more to do, and then that's it. last one being tested now, then there's no more fire alarm tests after that today. Oh, hang on a minute guys, I'll cut the video first and answer. Sorry about that guys, just needed to answer a Beaumont College reception call. Now for the last one. Hello? And there you go, so that's it for week 5 of the Beaumont College Fire Alarm tests. I hope everybody has enjoyed this week's test. Yeah, sorry about that cut bit before, we just had one of our staff members calling the reception phone, but I hope everybody is ready for week 6 when it comes out in about 2 weeks from that today. So, if you've all enjoyed week 5, then please subscribe for future content and hit the notification bell to be alarmed of the next upload. And until next time, ring out.